Hi and welcome to Barlow Guitar, and I'm going to do this unboxing video because to be honest with you, this box is getting in the way. I just want to get it unboxed, just hang the guitar up somewhere. Yes, right. So yeah, a few videos coming your way, but I haven't done many for a while because number one, I've been very busy. So obviously some of you may know that, you know, when putting out music with the band, that takes time to do all that kind of stuff, so that's taking time to do. If you haven't seen our latest video, go and check it out. I think it's a video or two in front of this one. Just go and check. Not a lot of people watch the videos. I don't understand why that is. I mean, you know, if you think we're a shit band, just say so, but I don't think so. Anyway, check it out because they're pretty good. I mean, the videos are like lockdown videos, done on some like home kind of video software. It's kind of cheesy, but like the songs are good, so check it out. Yeah, so yeah, and obviously with in the workshop's been really busy. Today is what's the time? It's 5:30, and I'm about to finish in the workshop. I'm done for the day. I've had enough of fixing amplifiers and guitars and stuff. I just rolled a couple out. And now I've got a little bit of room. I'm going to unbox it. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. I'm sure you want to do it. I don't like unboxing videos. I kind of vowed never to do one, but here I am doing an unboxing video. Why is that? I do not know. So anyway, story about this guitar is that there isn't one. No, not really. The thing is, right, if you see this guitar, this is not a normal unboxing, by the way, okay, because normal unboxings is like, you know, you can do that at Christmas. I like these SG guitars, right, and I got, and they're made by Westfield, and I wanted a black one. I wanted a black because I really like the black ones, right? So I got this Westfield, this black Westfield, right, and it just wasn't right. It wasn't the same as that one and the other one that I got. And I'm just thinking to myself, well, the problem with these kind of guitars is, you know, you can buy three and two will be good and one will be not so good. And I'm just thinking maybe all the black ones are like that. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I didn't want to take any chances. But it doesn't matter. I got another guitar. So that I'm just giving it away, what kind of guitar it is, but not make. I haven't given the make away yet because I've already played one of these guitars. And I know they're feckin' awesome for the money, right? What do I know about them? I know feck all about them. I heard that they come straight from the factory and they are checked over by factory staff, set up properly and all that kind of stuff. Not that I'm bothered because I'm going to do all that myself anyway. Anyway, sorry. I told you it's not a normal unboxing, so I'm just going to go on and on and on. Okay. It's double boxed, so it's well packaged up, as you'd expect. You need two pairs of hands to get the box out. And you need a bigger room. Okay. Some of you may have noticed the name on the side of the box. Allen key. So, if I add this Allen key to my collection, I've now got somewhere in the region of about 2,565. Right. Warning. Children liable to suffocation if this bag is used as a plaything. I'll keep that in mind. Right. Okay, so there we go. There we are. One vintage SG. You're going to ask me the weight and stuff like that? I have no idea. It weighs what an SG weighs. Hang on, glasses. Let's have a look. Seal, neck, past, undercoat, past, pickups fit, past, 21. It's got get extra bottom end tone with new bone, precision engineered nuts and saddles. Okay, so it's kind of like a tusk nut. I think early 9s. Yeah, they feel like 9s. I could be wrong. Wilkinson pickups. So it's got, like, you know, what you expect an SG to have in terms of the top hat knobs. There's the switch. Yeah, I mean, looks like an SG really, right? Just looks like an SG, except for the headstock. It's the only thing, Cluson style tuners, made by Wilkinson. I'm sure they're really good. Anyway, yeah, I'll have to play it. Well, next video I'll play it, right? So I don't know if this is going to be one long video or I'm just going to do this in sections. I don't know yet. I'll probably do it in sections because I like to talk a lot and annoy people. But lots of people will be gagging to hear what this sounds like. Trust me, they sound great, but that's not the point. It's how they feel and how easy they are to play and stuff like that, which right off the bat is very, very nice. The fingerboard's a little bit lighter than I would like, but I shall darken that up with some lemon oil. But so before I do the video, the playing of the video, which is not going to be in this video, it's going to be in another video. Oh wow, that's yeah. So the first thing we need to do, the most important thing that we need to do before I even play it, okay, is the SG test. If you're an Angus person and you wear your guitar really high, this part doesn't matter to you. So this is the bit that we need to find out whether this guitar is going to go back or whether it's going to stay. That's a keeper. That's really well weighted. The neck's very nice. What kind of neck is that? It's kind of a beefy-ish neck. I'll tell you what, even the frets might be usable. You know, generally, right? Okay, so let's get to that point. Let's get to that. So okay, that's that test done. Lots of people, I notice, when they get a guitar, you know, they sit down and they play it and they go, oh yeah, this is lovely. Look at me justifying my purchase. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, lots of people do that. They don't actually stand up with the guitar and you know, see how well it's balanced and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So let me tell you what I'm going to do to this guitar. I'm probably going to refret it. I'm going to put some slightly taller frets on. We'll see. Maybe not. They're just at the point for me where they're where it's as low as I'd go. The only way I really to know is to play it for, you know, for a gig or a rehearsal, just to see what kind of how fatigued I am. I feel alright. So yeah, maybe I might do that. The pickups are great in here, but I'm taking these pickups out. I have some other pickups coming in, especially for this guitar. The switch, I'm going to get rid of that switch because I don't like the colour of it. That's seriously, I'm just going to get rid of that because I don't like the colour of that. I'm going to get one that I do like the colour of. Yeah, okay, let's talk about the headstock. Okay, it's sick bag time. I mean, the only thing, right, that ever put me off buying one of these guitars, or would ever put me off buying any of their guitars, would not be this, strings, neck, body, wouldn't be any of that. Hardware, that wouldn't put me off. If anything put me off, it would be that headstock. That headstock is like... the fuck? It's shit. But everything else is alright. So there you go. That is an unboxing video. I haven't played it yet because that's another video. This is an unboxing video. Anyway, we was talking about what I'm going to do to this guitar, so I'll get back to that. So sorry about that. So basically, what am I going to do to this guitar? Yeah, I am going to put an FRX tremolo on it. I'm going to change the pickups to my pickups of choice. Although these pickups I'm sure are really great. So I'll get rid of all that. I'm going to change the one of the knobs. I think. We'll see how that goes. Definitely going to change the three-way switch. Although there's nothing wrong with this three-way switch. I'm just going to change it because I want to put a different one in. What else am I going to change here? I'm going to change the tuners because the tuners are what kind of tuners I like. You know, they're great. As long as they work, I won't change them. The nut I won't change unless I decide to refret it. So I might do everything and play it for a bit, and if I feel I need to refret it, then I'll come back to that. But basically, that's what I'm going to do. This is going to be my new live rocking guitar. Number 2. I've got number 1. I've got my number 1 guitar. I need a number 2 guitar, and I haven't got one. I mean, I got the other SGs, which you've probably seen before, which are great guitars. Don't get me wrong, but I need something a little bit more that I can rely on a little bit more. Although they've been reliable so far, so I don't know. I think it's more than likely the case that I wanted something in black, which is probably more of what this is all about. But anyway, so here we go. We got an SG. It's in black. I could have saved up. A great comment on one of the videos I did, and a guy said, "Well, you know what? Don't buy a cheap guitar. Just save up for a good one." Well, that's a great comment, but depends what's good. I had a Les Paul in here this morning, and it was bought as new, and basically the neck's just gone. That's a good guitar. That's an expensive guitar. So from the guitars that I've seen, from what I've seen, you know, fixing guitars for the last God knows how long, and amplifiers. The rule of thumb of you get what you pay for isn't strictly true. That is not the case. These are, I think, are about these guitars here are about 400 quid. They're made in Vietnam. So I mean, I don't know what that means. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing or whatever it is, I have no idea. The thing is, at the end of the day, it's, you know, it's obviously a piece of wood. The thing is, what you got to remember is that these guitars, these ones here, which this one actually feels a bit heavier, but basically the neck on this is better than this. I can tell you that straight away. Although necks don't really bother me, but in terms of like slim profile, this one's very nice. Whereas this one is slightly thicker. I would have preferred this neck, but hey, it doesn't that matter. Necks don't bother me that much. I can get on with that. But you know, this is like, you know, a beginner's guitar. But anyway, the thing is, at the end of the day, what you're paying for, I suppose, is you're paying for to have a guitar delivered to your door that is very playable, sounds great, and you don't even have to set it up because it's already been done for you. You just plug it in, tune it up, and it's ready to rock. That's what you're paying for, and I think from perhaps a beginner's guitar point of view, which yeah, I mean, a beginner should have a guitar like this. I think Harley Benton do a similar thing, but I think you'll find that in terms of setups, these guys might be a bit better. Arguments in the bottom there. What can I say? Am I justifying a purchase? No. I want a black SG, right, that I can sling around playing live with an FRX trim on. That's what I want to do. And as long as I can play it and it sounds alright, of course it'll sound alright. It's going to have my pickups in it. It's going to have a FRX trim which I need so I can do that. And it will stay in tune, so it doesn't matter what tuners are in it. It doesn't matter what nuts on it because it's going to have an FRX nut on it. Doesn't matter. I think all that matters is that as long as the neck don't go and it sounds okay and the pickups are good, we can't go wrong. There you go. That's an unboxing video by Dave Barlow Guitar. Catch you later. Oh, don't forget to smash those thumbs up and subscribe. Because if you haven't subscribed yet, why haven't you subscribed? What's wrong with me? No, I will catch you later.